Welcome to Beautiful, Confident, and Safe, a podcast by Lewisburg Plastic Surgery featuring Dr. Normington. Hi, I'm Jordan Thomas. In each episode of this show, Dr. Normington and I will sit down for an unscripted conversation about a variety of plastic surgery topics. Our goal, as with everything we do here at Lewisburg Plastic Surgery, is to provide you with the educational resources you need to make the best decision and allow you to feel beautiful, confident, and safe. Let's get started. Okay, so today I wanted to talk with you about a pretty common procedure that we get a lot of questions about from our patients called the Mommy Makeover. What exactly does that consist of?
Sure. So a Mommy Makeover is not a specific procedure, but really it's a series of procedures designed to rejuvenate the breast and the tummy area. So really changing the things that occur as a woman has children and ages over time. So we're talking about changing the breast and changing the tummy. And it's different for every woman. There's no specific procedure. In the breast area, a Mommy Makeover might involve breast augmentation to add some volume that a woman has lost with having kids. Or it might involve a breast lift to lift the breast back up to a more youthful position. Sometimes there's drooping or sagging that can occur with aging and with breastfeeding, so a Mommy Makeover can get that breast back up to a more youthful position. And then it generally involves improving the tummy, some of the changes that occur with childbirth. Commonly, a Mommy Makeover will involve tummy tuck. So the goal of a tummy tuck is to tighten the skin on the tummy and also remove extra fatty tissue and basically rejuvenate some of the changes that we see with those pregnancies. But for another woman, it might just involve a little bit of liposuction to improve a little bit of tummy fat that occurs with aging and getting a little bit older. So it's really different for every woman. So a Mommy Makeover is customized to the concerns that a woman has with aging and some of the changes in pregnancy. And we can customize a plan for every woman. These procedures are commonly performed together, meaning we'll usually treat the breast area and the tummy at the same time. So we'll combine a breast lift with a tummy tuck or a breast augmentation with a tummy tuck or liposuction to get that figure back to a more youthful position. Basically, a Mommy Makeover is a customized procedure for every woman designed to improve the changes of pregnancy and aging.
Okay. And what sort of downtime do patients experience after these procedures?
All the procedures have at least a little bit of a downtime. Breast augmentation, you might be away from work for a few days. A tummy tuck a little bit longer. The nice thing about combining the procedures is that you're able to combine the recoveries and get them over with all at once. If you're working from home, quite honestly, you could do a bit of that even the next day. So the biggest restriction is probably vigorous and aerobic things like the gym and strenuous things around the house. That might be out for a few weeks.
And for those concerned about cost for the procedure, this isn't something that would be covered by insurance, correct?
Yes, generally these are cosmetic, not insurable procedures. And the costs, there's a bit of a range. A breast lift, you're looking at something in the $8,000 range. Tummy tuck, also something in the high $7,000 to $8,000 range. So the procedures, if combined, we're able to do a little bit of discounting with combining some anesthesia costs and some operating room charges. But generally, that's the cost of this sort of procedure.
And what situation would you say would someone be more of a candidate for a tummy tuck versus just liposuction?
So the key thing there is the quality of the skin. So liposuction or even cool sculpting, a non-surgical approach to reducing fatty tissue in the tummy, both of those processes reduce fatty tissue, but they don't really tighten the skin. So if there's any concerns about the tone of the skin or having extra skin on the tummy, we would probably steer them towards a tummy tuck because that gives us the ability to tighten that skin up. And most women who've had pregnancies, to some extent, the tummy skin's been stretched out.
And I've heard of muscle tightening when you're in there doing the procedure, when you're doing a tummy tuck. Is that something that would be possible for someone having a Mommy Makeover?
Yes. Every woman who's had a pregnancy, what I've found, to some extent, the muscle layer, it's called the fascia. It holds the muscles in place. that stretches. We can see the skin stretches, that's easy to see, but on the inside, the muscle layer stretches as well. And all the sit-ups in the world might build up those muscles, but unfortunately they can't really get that fascia back to where it was before you had kids. So typically during a tummy tuck, we'll do some muscle tightening to some extent to get the muscles back to where they were before you had kids.
Okay. And for those that do have the muscle tightening done then during the procedure, is that something that might affect their recovery time?
It's a little bit more of a recovery. Yeah, there's a little bit more discomfort and a little bit more restrictions afterwards. But the benefit is, again, you get those muscles rejuvenated back to where they were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's a wrap on this episode of the Beautiful, Confident, and Safe podcast, brought to you by Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dr. Normington. Please be sure to subscribe to our show so that you never miss an episode. And for more information on Lewisburg Plastic Surgery, please visit us online at lewisburgplastic.com or find us on Facebook at Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dermatology or on Instagram at Lewisburg Plastic. We'll see you next time.